Good evening. Hopefully I'm on my profile. Seeing loads of things. Something different. Am I on my profile? It's late. Very late. So I'm not expecting anybody on because you're probably all tucked up in bed. Just don't blame you. I can tell you though, it's awfully windy down here now. We've definitely got a storm. Not had any rumpers or thunder yet, though they did forecast rumpers and thunder. I'm hoping I'm on my profile. And not on somebody else's. Just check. Just checking on my tablet. So if you are seen alive, hopefully I am on my profile. Live on my profile? Yes, I am. I'm live on my profile. That's weird. I've got loads and loads of things that come up on my phone. I think Facebook's done another update, possibly. More than likely. Anyway, I'm going to heart it. If it allow me. Are you going to let me? Yes. So I've hearted my own live. Right. It's awfully late, guys. I do apologise for anybody watching this on the replay, the replay. Or trying to watch it live rather. You will be able to watch it on replay because I'll save it, as I always do. So if you don't see that live in the top corner, you are watching this on the replay, so put hashtag replay and don't forget to heart it so I know that you've checked into this video. So I'm going to take my gummies. What I've done was, because it's so late, is I have just put in the title of this live the ingredients for the serum and the night cream, because I'm not even going to attempt to try and pronounce them this time of night, not with my menopausal brain. And I'm taking my last 2 gummies. That's pack number 2 down. So if you want to know about our gummies, these are going to help with your hair, your skin, your nails. It's going to help with your hair shredding. It's going to help to strengthen your hair, strengthen your follicles, stop your nails from being brittle, hold back your grey or your white hairs, because you've got great ingredients in here. Again, guys, if you want the ingredients, I'm not going to say them tonight. I am a bit tongue-tied. I have had a busy day and I'm worn out. So I'm going to pop these in and I'm just going to do my skincare. Take a moment just to enjoy that mango citrus hit to the taste buds. Love it. The reason I take them at night is so that I make sure that I'm caffeine free. So no drinking any fizzy drinks, tea, coffee, anything that actually has caffeine in. Avoid it 2 hours before and 2 hours after. One of those horrible little gnat things flying around. Probably going to bite me because they bite me all the time. Can only happen on a live, can't it? Never mind. Anyway, I hope you've had a wonderful day. If you do have any skincare concerns that you would like to ask me about, to give you some help, then by all means just say you have got some makeup or skincare issues and I will get into your inbox and we can have a good chat and see what we can come up with that is going to help you with your skincare or your makeup. And don't forget, guys, also we have got free gifts on the website this month as well when you spend a certain amount. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head again. Menopausal brain. Anyone else is suffering from menopausal brain fog? It's not nice. So that's my eye cream done. So as I said, it's not going to be very like this. It's probably not even going to be about 5 minutes. It's probably going to be about 2 or 3 minutes. So 1 pump. And you can see how thick. Look, that just sits there on my finger. Oh, I do like the smell of this. So I'm just going to rub it between my fingers. And we're just going to pat it on and massage it in. Oh. I can definitely smell the cucumber. It's got a lovely fragrance. I love it. And my skin this morning, if you caught my live story this morning, I couldn't believe how soft my skin felt. Now I know I do collagen, I do the gummies, I do my other skincare, you know, my other bits and pieces of my skincare, like my masks and things. But honestly, that actually caught me unawares just this morning, because when I cleansed my face and I dried it, toned, put my eye mask on, and I just went like that, I thought, oh my god, it was just so soft. So if you want to know about the youth complexion, sorry, I keep saying complexion, youth plexion, just put youth in the comments, guys, and I can give you more information. I can also give you the information on how you can trial this and get a discount as well while you trial it. So I am looking for some people to trial it for me, because I'm loving it, and I would like to have a few more other people be my testers and see if they like this too. So yeah, I just love it. This one doesn't actually have that one has the smell, which is really, really, oh, I just wish I could describe it, but you can definitely smell the cucumber. And so there's something else as well, but I'm not quite sure what that is. I'm going to have to read the ingredients a bit more, but definitely something else in there that instantly just just smells so pleasant. That I love this. There's no smell at all, and as you can see, I've still got loads on the lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just use my ring finger, and I'm just going to wipe off, and that's all I need. It tells you in the how to use it, a pea size amount. So that probably wasn't quite a pea size amount, so I just put that finger in a bit more. But honestly, guys, this pot is going to last you 2 months or more, because it's a 2-month supply, because you use very, very little oil to moisturize your face. So if you are somebody who has got the telltale signs of aging, and you've got the fine lines and wrinkles starting to form here and here, or down here, or across your lip, down here on the side of your mouth, then you need to start using this night cream and night serum, because it's going to help battle the early signs of aging on your skin. And if you are a mature lady like myself, who hasn't done any skincare but feels that they want to start and do some skincare, then by all means start with the nights. If you can't invest in your day cream, you know, the glow plexion, get the night system, because your skin does all its repairing at night, and the ingredients in here are going to help to protect your barrier of your skin, help your skin repair itself while you sleep, because the skin is your biggest organ on your body. Did you know that? I didn't until I started doing Unique 5 years ago, and I was learning about the skin, different skin types, and yeah, the biggest organ we have on our body is our skin, and it rejuvenates itself. It really does repair itself, and all the help you can give it to protect it, then it's a win-win. So as I said, if you want to know more about our youth plexion or our glow plexion, then just put glow in the comments or put youth in the comments, and I can give you the information. Now, you can get these on subscription, you can buy them individually. If you get them on subscription, then it's going to work out cheaper for you in the long run, because then when you get your second order come out on subscription, you're only going to be paying the refill price and not the full collection price, which I think is about 20 to 30% cheaper. So It's always best to get it on subscription, guys. And if you're worried that you may not like the product or the product doesn't like your skin, we've got our Love It guarantee, guys, so you're not stuck with any of our products. Same with our gummies, same with our collagen. We've got the Love It guarantee, guys. And the best thing of all, which I've got to mention, then I'm going to go because I'm absolutely tired, is that we support Supria, because Unique gives 10% of all products to Supria to help survivors of CSA and its lasting effects. I don't know why my Facebook just went off. Lasting effects of, oh, my tablet keeps going off. Don't know what's happening there. Anyway, so not only are you saving money, you're also helping our planet, because we've got smaller packaging. So we've got, you know, eco system that's going to help with the environment as well. But you're also going to save yourself money, and you're also going to help Supria. If you haven't clicked on Supria, go onto the website, guys. Go and find out more about Supria, what Supria does, and how you can help Supria as well. Because you can donate, you can buy through Unique, you can donate separately. You can also join Supria and help them to basically get the word out there by educating and letting people know that Supria exists, so that we can help more survivors find the help that they need to heal. There's webinars, there's just so much on there, guys. You know, I could blurt it all out, but I'm not going to blurt it all out because it's late. So anyway, but go and check it out, saprea.org, or better still, my link is in the description, my link tree. Click on that. You've got all the tabs to the Youth Collection, Glow Collection, Collagen, Gummies, Supria, the website, all listed there under one link, guys, on my link tree. So you can go and click on the tabs and that'll take you to all the different sites. So go and enjoy, like I say, enjoy your evening, but the evening's mainly over. So if you're watching this on a replay, thank you. Don't forget to put hashtag replay and hit that heart button, guys. And don't forget to hit that share button for me as well, and come back and put shared in the comments, because I really do appreciate you watching. And by putting shared in the comments, I know who shared this, and then I can add you into my jar, ready for my draw at the end of the month. So I'm going to love you and leave you, because I'm absolutely knackered, as you can probably tell. And I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for watching.